yung corporate world, it gave me the structure, the skills, and the experience, right, to survive in a new country. But it also showed me the ceiling. So especially when it comes to time. So now by building my digital business, it's a completely different model na siya. I'm not trading every hour for income anymore. I can work around my family and not the other way around. And I want to be also real. Well, it's not an instant success, right? But what I'm building now has the potential to grow beyond my time. And personally, that has been the biggest shift talaga, that I feel more present, more in control, and more aligned with the kind of mom that I want to be. Especially, I have a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 7 months old. So these are the years that they always ask mommy. So now that I have this business, I'm working for full time of this one already for over a year now. So even if I will have to go back to engineering or be present, at least now I'm not stuck to just doing my career. I have the options or the ability to be more flexible now in this season of life, because yung seasons of life is different. At least at this moment when my kids are still very young, I'm present because of this business that help us as well gain income for the family.
Mhm.